Chloe woke up super early today, and 6 o'clock is pretty early for us, but I'm awake, so I might as well make this recipe one of my viewers suggested. I'm just going to use 2 eggs. It was a really interesting combination that they mentioned. So that's 1 egg, 2 eggs, and we're going to add some kimchi. We're going to add some kimchi. Yeah. Do you love kimchi? I didn't know you like kimchi. Oh, thanks. So to the eggs, then goes the kimchi, was going to add a lot of flavor. I'm not even going to add any seasoning because this already has enough flavor. I'm going to just cut them a little bit smaller. There's actually a little bit of radish in there too. And then I'm going to whisk this up. Just like that. A quick, easy breakfast, but really satisfying. So I want to say thank you to the viewer who suggested this recipe. Thank you. Although it doesn't, you don't even eat kimchi. I don't know why you're thinking. Okay, so what we're going to do is next we're going to put the rice paper. One of my viewers asked me, how do you prevent the sides from curling up? Because every time she cooks it, the sides of the rice paper will curl up. So I suggest putting the heat on medium, not too high so it doesn't curl up. And of course, the smooth side here goes down first, and then we're going to put the egg on. I'm just going to do this quickly so the sides don't curl up. Okay, perfect. Looks delicious already. Not everyone loves kimchi, but to be honest, it's healthy for you, and I learned to love it. So we're just going to let that cook for a little bit, cover it, and it'll be ready soon. Ta-da! I have a have a ton of green onion growing in my garden, so I'm just going to add a little bit of green onion to my rice paper omelet with kimchi. Just snip that in. And why not? Green onion's healthy. It adds some color. Okay, and it's firming up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gochujang, which is Korean chili sauce. Oh, yummy. And that's it. Look at this delicious kimchi pancake. Wow. And that's it. Look at this delicious rice paper omelet with kimchi. Aha! Looks delicious. Okay, so you can eat it 2 ways. You can cut it and eat it just like that, or what I like to do is I like to roll it up like this. See, it's crispy, very crispy. So I like to roll it up. Yeah, just like that. You can eat it burrito style, rolled up, like a rolled omelet, or you can cut it up. So what we're gonna do is make sure it's nice and easy to eat. I'm actually gonna cut it up. Okay, so this was super yummy, and I really have to thank the viewer for suggesting this recipe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Super tasty.